Welcome to the Realistic Viewer channel. I'm back, I have my camera back, so now you'll see my face again. So in today's video, let's talk about 4 types of ways that you can use your blog to make it more profitable. But more after the intro. So, welcome back. Let's start with freelancing. If your blog is fixed on a certain niche and you are the expert in the field, why not use your knowledge to kickstart some side activities? If you want to optimize your content and develop it for the right audience, chances are that there are certain types of people within the audience that might be interested in associated services. The second type of way that you can make some money out of your blog, consider merchandise sale. So if you have reoccurring viewers, readers, and actual fans, why not consider merchandise or merch that is associated with your brand and your image? If your brand already has a positive and lasting impression on the person, why not make use of that opportunity? The third option is affiliate marketing. Find which brands actually fit with your niche and consider a partnership with them. By bringing value to larger brands with honest but focused content that can stimulate additional sales for the company, it is also possible to make then a significant amount of money throughout affiliate marketing. Well, there are a couple of things to consider if you want to start with affiliate marketing. Number 1, does the brand fit with your niche and content? If your niche and content is focused on sneakers and, for example, baseball, etc., then it doesn't really make sense to promote content regarding water sports, for example. 2, are you transparent with your audience that the product that you're kind of showing and making content for is an affiliate for your brand itself? It is really important, and also you can be fined if you do not make it transparent that it's affiliate at that moment. 3, does the brand conflict with your own product offering? In that case, the content that you offer. As I said before, if you have a certain type of niche that you're active in, but you're making content that doesn't correlate at all with your brand, it could negatively impact your brand viewing. So let's go towards the 4th method, which would be selling, for example, a membership or premium content on your page. Another method of that is selling digital products. For example, think of an ebook, workshops, or personalized or bespoke content made for your audience. As I said before, if you have certain skills, so for example, if you are an artist, you make nice drawings, you make portraits for other people, consider maybe doing some freelance work on the side to make additional value for your audience. Also, of course, make sure that you then get some reviews and references from people that you've already done work with, and in that way you can grow out a base and grow out a following. But also, remember, if you are in a situation that you are making money with your blog, your website, remember to be conscious of who your audience are and how an actual affiliate or other things that you might do to make some money can affect the long-term brand perception of your brand, your blog, or your vlog. So, thank you for watching. It's good to be back on the camera. If you're new, subscribe. If you have some feedback regarding the video, leave it in the comment section below. I hope to see you in the next video. This is Ivan from the Realistic Viewer channel, helping you achieve more.